Okay, in this video, we're going to set up the Lexium MDrive to communicate to a Compax Logix PLC. So step one is to launch the Ethernet interface. Select our appropriate computer's Ethernet adapter, which is this one here. Click on Select, type in our MDrive's IP address, and click Connect. And we'll go ahead and read all of our configuration parameters. In this case, we want to make sure that our application protocol is set to Ethernet IP, and we want to take a note of our IP address. From here, we can change it if we need to. If our PLC is on a different subnet. And before we do anything else, we'll go ahead and set the MDrive back to its factory default settings by sending the FD command through the ASCM port. All right. From here, we will configure the implicit EIP parameters on the MDrive. Step one is click on Get. These are the current parameters we have set. We're going to change a couple of these for this demo. For one of our inputs, we're going to monitor the error status. Our outputs, we're also going to set have the ability, it's actually in this one, have the ability to set the error back to 0 if we need to, and you're going to monitor or be able to set the clear locked rotor flag. Once we are happy with our selected parameters, we click on Set, and they should take effect. You should see OK up here, and all of our parameters are saved. A couple other parameters we're going to change for this demo is setting the AS command to 2. This sets our MDrive to variable current mode as well as into closed loop mode, so we can detect a motor stall. And we're going to set the run current to 7% so I can actually stop it by hand to demonstrate that. And to verify our parameters are set, we can do PRAS should return 2 and PRRC should return 7, and we send the S command to save those parameters to flash, so those settings are saved on power cycle. Oops. All right, and from the EIP tab, let's verify that our settings are for our parameters. Just double check that they are correct, and it looks like they are. So let's go ahead and export or save the EIP user-defined data types. And these are the data types that we will actually use in our RS Logix software. So go ahead and save those to my documents. It'll save two different types. It'll save the inputs and the outputs. Okay. Those have been saved. And let's move on to configuring our PLC to communicate with the MDrive.